Hello guys, this is Sam Presto from Sam Presto Film. Today we are going to be having some fun and welcome to Fun Friday. Before I tell you what Fun Friday is all about, hit on the subscribe button right here. Yes guys, Fun Friday is where I'm going to be dishing out a lot of interesting stuff that we do with our phones, on our system, on our daily life. It's all about the media, but I'm going to be bringing Fun Friday sections right here where we'll have a lot of funs. Like, how do you read deleted message from your WhatsApp? Yeah, it's possible. Anybody can do that. Nothing is ever deleted. So guys, let's get started. First of all, go to your Play Store. For the Android users, Play Store right here. And type Noti Save. This is it right there. Download, install it. Okay, once you're done downloading, hit the open button. Next, hit the allow. Okay, now you can see the next section. Allow. On the notification saver, hit on this section, notification access. On the notification saver, hit allow. Then let's close up all this side. Let's go to the app now, hit allow. Then it's loading. Okay guys, cool. On this section, you don't want to block all the apps on your phone. So what we'll do, toggle this, on it, then off it. So then close this, close the app. Your app is good to go. So now let me send a message. With my WhatsApp. Okay. Okay, let me say, hi, bro. Enter. Then let me just type some jargon. Enter. Then I decide I don't want him to see this and I delete it. I come here. I delete. Select this, delete. Delete for everyone. Boom, it's gone. Let's come to this phone now. Let's hit the WhatsApp. This is your WhatsApp. Now this is my message and it's showing me deleted. The two messages are all deleted. How do you see this message? Let's come here, back here. Let's go to our Noti Save. Here. Boom. Now this is me. Hit. This is me. This is the hi bro. So this is all the jargons I wrote. So guys, nothing is ever deleted. Do you have the right information? Do you have the right app? Are you subscribed on this channel? Stay tuned because I'm going to be bringing more in-depth tutorial on WhatsApp. How you can block yourself. Just imagine somebody blocks you. What do you do? And you still want to follow them, to see their status, to read their messages, to send them messages. How do you unblock yourself? Stay tuned for the next tutorial. This is Sam Presto from Sam Presto Films. Okay guys, before I go, this video was sponsored and shot by one of my real guys, Shelika. Check his details, it's on the description below. I'm going to be adding his handle there, and supervised by one of my guys at the top. He's my boss, is very good in what he does. You need to hear his voice. He does very good jingles. Subscribe, follow him. Media details. I'm going to be putting his handle on the description too. Thank you. This is Sam Presto from Sam Presto Films, signing out.